Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Ever wonder how seasoned travelers stay comfortable even on the longest flights? It all comes down to what's in their personal item. Today, I'm sharing my must-have in-flight essentials and how I fit them all under the seat in front of me. Now, first of all is the bag itself. I like something durable with lots of pockets. A zip top is very important so nothing goes spilling out even if it lays on its side, and especially through security. And I prefer a dark color so that it won't show dirt. And organization is key, but this bag has a place for everything. Now inside, I keep the items I consider essential for a smooth and stress-free flight. So I keep a pill organizer for any medications I may need on the go. I keep my large noise-canceling headphones, and inside that, I have a smaller pair of noise-canceling earbuds, so I have lots of options at my fingertips. I also store my iPad tablet for entertainment or reading, and it's easily accessible. Here's one of my favorite tips. There's room in here for a smaller bag, and in that, I keep my wallet, eyeglasses, lip gloss, or even a passport. Things I like to grab quickly without having to rummage around or carry the whole bag with me if I need to make a quick stop. I carry a small pouch for liquids or tiny must-haves like hand sanitizer, lipstick, Band-Aids. It's absolutely essential to bring a refillable water bottle. Most airports now have water refilling stations. I also bring a few electrolyte hydration packs so I can stay refreshed during the flight, and that keeps me from getting a headache. Now for downtime, I pack my journal and a pencil case. I can write or doodle without needing to reach in the overhead bin. I also am able to fit my laptop in this bag as well. Now here's one last tip. Always leave space for snacks and gum. Now airport food can be super pricey, but you can bring plenty of snacks through security, so leave room in your personal item for snacks. I have to have snacks and water if I'm going to be happy on my flight, no matter how long it is. Everything fits under the seat in front of me, and having it all within reach makes the flight so much more comfortable and makes me feel less stressed. I'm Sarah with WTI. Thanks for joining me on this travel tip. Now don't forget to check out the links for the products I used and follow WTI for more travel tips.